Hi, welcome to the Signode booth here at SuperCorrExpo in Orlando, United States. I'm Rick Hantke. I'm from Marketing Director at Signode, and I'm happy to tell you all about what we have on offer here for the corrugated industry. So we have in our booth, you'll see the story that we're trying to tell for Signode is that we are an end-of-line packaging and automation provider for the corrugated industry. We have a full portfolio that spans not only from traditional strapping for packaging the bundles and unit loads for the corrugated industry, whether that's bundles and sheets and bales of corrugated. We have a long history of strapping for the corrugated industry. But in addition, we have a full portfolio of really all of your end-of-line needs for transit packaging and automation to streamline your end-of-line operations. So if you see here on the screen, you see a, a full-line automation line that features all that Signode has to offer. So whether it's bundlers coming out of the flexo folder gluers, being bundled and strapped, but then also to robotic palletizers with the Simplematic brand of automation solutions. Those same bundles and sheet loads can then be unitized on pallets or on as bales through our innovative GCU unitizing strappers. This can also then be protected for 5-sided protection with stretch film that can be done in automatic storage, automatic stretch wrapping, ring wrapping, but also with 5-sided protection of automated hooding stretch systems. So being able to hood a load to be able to protect it with that 5-sided protection in the elements when it's stored outside. So we have a full, and then lastly, you'll see here that we have autonomous mobile robots that can deliver the pallets and the loads throughout your end-of-line operations and then into automated storage and retrieval systems with our StoreFast brand. So if you think about Signode, you think about a full portfolio for that end-of-line operation to make sure that your product that you produce is protected and reaches your customers with all the value that you put into it. So that is the Signode story. We have innovative products, but we can deliver a full integrated solution for your operation. So let me show you a couple more things. So here's an example of the SigCore bundler. That's for crash lock boxes that come in shingles, and it can be automated to organize and to be able to strap and bundle these for transportation. We also have a series of corrugated custom protective packaging utilizing corrugated materials to be able to protect packages on the inside of packages and design these custom solutions. So please come further, and we go a tour around our booth here at SuperCore to also tell the story about the technology that we have on display. So within our equipment, you can use the Internet of Things and remotely monitor the performance of your equipment so that we can be proactive with maintenance and service to really increase your uptime and that your throughput is maintained throughout your operations. So lastly, we have here an integrated line of strapping unitized. So you see the bale of sheet loads, and you also see a pallet with bundles on it stacked on here. And we can, using an innovative strapping unitizer, can secure your load for protected for that transportation distribution cycle. But in addition to strapping, with up to 6 strapping heads for redundancy and for all the flexibility that you need, it has sensitive compression in the platen to make sure that the corrugated loads are maintained with as minimal damage as possible. And from there, we can then integrate that into our stretch wrapping technology, the Octopus S-Series automated ring wrapping, that the same load can be strapped and then wrapped in one continuous process. So this is our automated equipment portfolio, and I wanted to highlight, in addition to the actual equipment, we also offer all of the consumables. So the strapping, the stretch film, the protective packaging, consumable protective packaging such as angle board, edge protection, airbags, and other dunnage to support and to secure loads within containers and trucks for that transportation cycle. So we, at Signode, we deliver a full portfolio, a broad portfolio of end-of-line packaging from equipment, consumables, and automated solutions. Yeah, please show this. These are all Signode solutions across the board. Everything you see on this pallet is something that we provide.
Well, the strap is a dry wash strand product. And it works.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Rick.